Hi there, and welcome to TechPlower at IFA Berlin. ZTE launched their flagship Axon 9 Pro at IFA, so let's have a look at it. I really apologize for the flickering in some parts of the video. The lighting at the ZTE booth was difficult to shoot in. The phone has a 6.21-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2248, which gives us 402 pixels per inch. As you can see, the phone has a notch, which houses a 20 megapixel camera and the earpiece that also serves as a speaker. In addition to taking photos, the front-facing camera is also used for face recognition. We have a quite big chin at the bottom, which I really don't see the purpose of, since it neither houses a fingerprint reader nor a speaker. On the glass back, we have a dual camera system. One 12 megapixel camera with an aperture of f1.8 with optical image stabilization. And then we have a 20 megapixel wide-angle camera with 130 degrees field of view and an aperture of f2.0. On the back we also have a fingerprint reader in an easily reachable place above the Axon logo. On the right side we only have two buttons, the volume button as well as the power button. And on the left side, we only have the SIM card slot, which also offers microSD expansion. On the top of the phone, we have antenna bands and a microphone. And on the bottom, we have a speaker, so we have stereo speakers on this phone. We also have a microphone and USB Type-C port. On the inside, we have the powerful Snapdragon 845 chip, 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of built-in storage, which is expandable with a microSD card of maximum size of 512 GB. It has a whopping 4000 mAh battery, the same as the Galaxy Note 9, and it supports fast Qi wireless charging. It's running Android 8.1 Oreo, and in my short hands-on with it, it was quite snappy and smooth. The build quality is quite good, and it feels really good in the hand. It's actually unbelievable that with such high-end specs, it's only priced at 649 euros, which is around $750. It has already been launched in Europe and Asia, but we'll have to see about other markets. So this was my hands-on with the ZTE Axon 9 Pro, and stay tuned for more coverage from IFA Berlin. And as always, since it really helps my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. See you in my next video.